What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Desiree. Again, background noise. My children are currently watching TV downstairs, so it's a little noisy. But anyways, I'm filming just a couple like normal-ish ones. I always have ideas for makeup, but I'm in kind of like a special effects, like the crazy ones. I'm kind of in a funk. I don't know what to do. I always have makeup ideas, but I don't know if they're too boring for you guys or like what. But so I'm just going to throw in a bunch of these because they're fun. I like them. I like doing makeup in general, so I always like doing these ones for you guys. But if you guys have any ideas for me, just leave them down in the comments. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Desiree. If you could like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you get notified of my upcoming videos. And if you want to see how I did this makeup look, just keep watching. So I picked up this CoverGirl concealer and I'm liking it because it's a lot lighter of a color to prime our eyes with. So we do that and then pack it on or blend it out with a beauty blender. Then we're going to take a big fluffy brush and go in with this dark green color and just fan it all across our eye, slightly above where the cut crease is. And then we're going to go in with a lighter green color and buff that in to the outer edge of the dark green that we just put in. And then we're going to take a smaller compact brush and pack on this brown color at the edge. And with that same fluffy brush and no extra product, we're going to blend that out. And this, it seems like it takes like 30 seconds, but this is a good like 5 minutes or so. Blending is basically key to making any makeup look perfect. And then after we get that blended out, we are going to take a small flat brush, and if you line your eyes kind of like an eyeliner and then look up, it'll imprint a line across. And if you go slightly above where that line was put, just keep packing on the concealer, and that gives you a good cut crease. Then we take that same compact brush and blend out the edge just a little bit so it's not so harsh. Then we're going to go in with some shimmery colors and just start ombreing it towards the inner eye. Then we're just going to go in with a makeup remover wipe and remove any of the excess fallout or anything like that. I really do like doing my eyes before I do the rest of my face. That way you can blend whichever direction you want to and don't have to worry about messing anything else up. But so we're just going to go in with foundation, concealer, setting powder. The concealer, I decided to use the CoverGirl again. I haven't used it as a concealer yet, but I definitely liked the way it lightened everything a little bit more than what I usually do. But so I'm just going to set that, and then I also decided I was going to use this new bronzer from Physicians Formula. And it is so good. I absolutely love this concealer bronzer. I think this is my new favorite like go-to bronzer. But after that's done, we're going to wipe away the excess and then go into my brows. After we get our blush and gloss on, I'm going to go in with that same compact brush and smudge with no extra product. Smudge my lower lash line and then highlight the inner corner. After that, we're going to just do the final touches with mascara, highlighter, and setting spray. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys on the next one.